What's up guys, it's your boy Andre. I'm here with Angie and we're back again at the Harley-Davidson studio. Today, I'm gonna be showing you the Union waterproof textile overpant. These overpants are constructed from a heavyweight twill with fully sealed seams to enhance water resistance without compromising breathability. These overpants feature a gusseted crotch, gusseted zipper front fly, and zippered cuffs. They also have ample pocket space with zippered hand warmer pockets and a cargo pocket on the left thigh with an envelope closure. These overpants are a versatile option when you're on your motorcycle. These Union waterproof textile overpants are minimally branded and available in the color Black Beauty. They're available in a 32-inch inseam and sizes 24 through 36. Angie here is 5'8", 136 pounds, and she's wearing a size 27. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, this is Angie, Malama Pono, and we'll catch you next time.